Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today I'm talking about leafy greens, and I have a list of herbs and spices that are known to pair well with the bitter greens. Now these are all greens I'm referring to other than your salad greens. So I'm not talking about lettuces here or spring mix, something like that, but kale and collards and mustard greens and turnip greens, vegetables along those lines, okay? All right, on this list we have allspice, basil, bay leaf, capers, cardamom, cayenne, chili pepper flakes, chili powder, cinnamon, cloves, coriander, cumin, curry powder and curry spices, dill, garlic, ginger, mustard, nutmeg, oregano, paprika, parsley, pepper, sage, salt, tarragon, thyme, and turmeric. I do hope this helps you out. Bye for now.